very often your society, again, let me narrate a shocking case which came to me in 2023. It ended happily. It ended happily now a couple of months ago. One builder in Andheri, after getting an LOI, before signing development agreement, before of course signing any I don't have to tell you what alternative accommodation agreement is, right? Tripartite agreement. We are all aware of what a tripartite agreement is for your rental and all that. You know about all this. Without signing anything, without signing even development agreement, so he is not contractually bound. He proceeds to put up the shuttering, the boards, and he puts a hoarding. He declares it his project. He sends out a notice asking people to vacate. In around April or May 2023, these people contacted me. One guy contacted me saying he has already circulated notice, June में खाली करो. Some people had already खाली करोfied. निकल गए थे वो लोग, छोड़ के निकल गए और उसने रेंट भी देना शुरू कर दिया. He said, okay, I'm giving rent. They left. But without a DA, there is nothing in place. People are ready. Now what happens? These guys call me, अभी क्या करने का? I said, what about this builder? What do you know about this builder? Now I'll tell you why you asked me why I'm called urban Naxal. I'll explain why I'm called urban Naxal. क्या करने का? I said, there are many steps. Step number 1. आपका मैनेजिंग कमेटी मेंबर्स है, आपके जैसे लोग हैं. There are people 40, 50, 60, 65, even older. I want you to go literally उनके दरवाजे के बाहर, दरवाजे के अंदर मत जाना, दरवाजे के बाहर जाओ, जोर से झगड़ा करो, बम मारने का. I want you to raise your voices. I want you to shout. I want you to hammer his door, but only that with your fist. That's all. Hey, Bahara. I want you to shout at him. His family should lose sleep. He should be afraid. Make him afraid. Can you do that? Fortunately, this guy had a friend. They actually did that. Is it unlawful? Is it unlawful? I'm asking you, is it unlawful? No. When somebody is trying to take over your house, your property, your life saving, your family's only asset or your family's substantial asset, बम मारने का बनता है कि नहीं, झगड़ा करने का बनता है कि नहीं? बनता है, बनता है. मैंने बोला, and I said, at the worst case, वो बोलेगा थ्रेटन कर रहा है, पुलिस में जाएगा, केस करने को ट्राई करेगा, नहीं होने वाला है, एनसी होगा. If you threaten him, if you legit threaten him, there will still be only an NC. It will not even be an FIR. I will advise you not to threaten him, but put the fear of God into their heads that you are not going to go quietly. This is step number 1. Because otherwise, these guys, वो आपको मीटिंग में घेर लेते हैं. When you are sitting in an EGM or an SGM, there you cannot do this. वो मीटिंग में घेर लेते हैं. There they are in a majority. Don't go when they are in a majority. Go to their individual houses and give them. I want them to be shivering. I want the guy to feel that he is going to get a heart attack, and I want him to call the doctor and say, please give me medicines. Okay? I want him to get palpitations. Go and do it. They did that. They shouted. They went. Okay? And they found it extremely successful. Step number 1. Step number 2. These guys were part of the society sets up a WhatsApp group. Now these are the ground realities. So why am I urban Naxal? I show you how to fight based on the ground realities. Forget the mythology. Forget the illusions. The magician is doing all this. I am telling you to go up on stage and say, 1 minute, रुमाल दे, हाथ खोल, हाथ में ये क्या है? There is a false thumb. दिखा, public को दिखा. That's what I want you to do. So, what they are doing is gundagiri, and what they are doing is using manipulating majorityism, okay, and manipulating your own decency. You are decent people. You are sitting in an SGM. You don't want to fight. You don't want to sound uncivilized. You are all nice people wearing nice shirts. You don't want to look bad. They are manipulating you to show, देखो SGM में सबका अप्रूवल हो गया, चलो ओवर. बिल्डर अप्रूव्ड ओवर. ऐसा करते 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 one by one stages they are manipulating you. So how to fight it? Number one, these people, what they normally do, they set up a WhatsApp group where you are not allowed to speak, only the admin can speak. Fine, no problem. Set up another WhatsApp group. Set up a different WhatsApp group because you are getting everybody's numbers. Now you be the, of course, and allow people to speak. Let it be a free for all in that. Put information, ask questions on that group. हमारा DA हुआ नहीं है, how is he asking us to vacate? He is not contractually bound with us. How did he put up a board? These guys, they went and complained, इसने board मारा है. BMC went and demolished the board. Okay? They demolished the shuttering. तुमने shuttering क्यों किया? तुम्हारा इसमें DA है क्या? तुम्हारा, do you have development rights over the land? No. Then by what right are you putting up all these things? They demolished it. उसका इज्जत टूटता है. Now we are not trying to defame. Gaurang bhai used one word, defame. Let me be clear. Defame is if you say something about someone personally and it has no bearing, it is untrue. So there are some qualifications. One is it has to be untrue. Is it true or untrue? If it is true, for example, Krish is a YouTuber. Now Krish does something that is disgraceful. He spits in public. Somebody takes a video of Krish spitting in public, coloring the walls red, and says, Krish the YouTuber ne ye kiya. And he exposes. Is it defamation?
No.
I may try to paint it as defamation, but it is not defamation. So you have to be ready to fight. It is not defamation. Krish the YouTuber is going around, ये थूक रहा है, मेरे बिल्डिंग में आके कॉर्नर में थूका, वीडियो निकालो. So exposing the builder's faults is not defamation, but it will put the fear of God into him. Now, he may try to fight you off by going to the police or threatening. You will get threatening calls from police station. Happens. It happens. आपको police station में बुलाया है. It happens. Again, there is a way to handle that. Don't lose your nerve. You have to say, sir कौन बोल रहे हो? सर मुझे नोटिस भेजो. ओके, आप बुला रहे हो ना, समन्स बुला रहे हो? नहीं, समन्स नहीं है. अच्छा, समन्स नहीं है तो जब समन्स बना रहे हो ना तभी मुझे नोटिस भेजो. टिल देन देयर इज नो नीड फॉर मी टू कम टू यू. डोंट बी इंटिमिडेटेड. तो यू हैव टू बी रेडी टू फाइट फॉर योर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम अर्बन नक्सल, बिकॉज आई टीच यू टू फाइट फॉर योर प्रॉपर्टी. सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स? व्हाट डिड दीज गाइज डू? दे गॉट द बोर्ड रिमूव्ड. बीएमसी को कंप्लेंट किया. They got the hoarding removed. Then they started asking the managing committee, इसके साथ DA हुआ नहीं है, how he circulated the notice and why you did not oppose. And people have started vacating. How did that happen? They asked questions. They got a call from the builder. भाई आके मिलके जाओ. They didn't go. That was wise. Because often what happens, अरे साहब बैठो ना, बैठो क्या मंगाऊं, चाय कॉफी, अच्छा आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है बोलो ना. एंड देन ही विल ईदर ट्राई टू सेटल यू. योर बेस्ट केस सिनारियो मे बी ही विल गिव यू सम लाख रुपीस, मे बी, बट देर आर वर्स्ट केस सिनारियोस. द वर्स्ट केस सिनारियोज आर, ही इज रिकॉर्डिंग, ही इज गोइंग टू पेंट यू एज एन एक्सटॉर्शनिस्ट. ही विल से ये एक्सटॉर्शन करने के लिए मेरे ऑफिस में चल के आया था. ही विल रिकॉर्ड. He will say he is not recording. साहब, I have often been in these situations. देखो क्रिश, मैं मेरा मोबाइल इधर रख रहा हूं, तुम भी मोबाइल इधर रख दो. Okay, we are both switching off the mobile. Don't trust. There will be another mobile somewhere. There will be some recording device somewhere. Don't trust him. It's an old trick. they will play these tricks on you, and either they will try to blackmail you by recording you, or they will threaten you. देखो साहब, हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. देयर इज दिस मुन्ना भाई मूवी. ये है, he puts his gun and he says, he puts his wallet. He says, ये है wallet, ये है bullet. Choose. They will do this. And if you go to the office, you are asking for this treatment. They may even do worse. They may do worse. I have been threatened to my face. यानी मुंह पे आ जाते हैं वो लोग. They can do that. And there is no use if you have gone with, there is no point if you say, I went with 10 people, I am safe. वो 10 लोग चुप हो जाएंगे, वो खून भी कर देगा ना, 10 लोग नहीं बोलेंगे. So don't expect that 10 people will support you and say, नहीं नहीं उस केस में I am witness. No, the witness will not stand. They will not stand in court. So you are at grave risk if you go to a builder's office. Do not go. You are at grave risk if you think you can settle the matter in this way. Do not settle until. So there is a point at which you exit this issue. How and when to exit the issue, that is the important part. What did these guys do? They had this BMC demolished. They asked these questions to their society. Now, to ask the questions, they had to know some basic knowledge. They had not thought about it. I said, if there is no contract, how is he evicting? Correct. Then they started asking the question. Then the builder, after some dirty tricks, after some threat calls to these people and all that, he withdrew the notice. The managing committee people suddenly started asking questions. How is he giving us vacating notice? Then they woke up and started asking questions. In the end, a resolution was passed by the managing committee. The builder was removed. And these guys are now in the redevelopment committee. Suddenly they are very optimistic. I am not so optimistic. Okay? Suddenly they have become very optimistic. Now I am in the redevelopment committee. So now everything will go well. I am not optimistic. I am still worried. But they are optimistic. What is the number one advice that I will give to anybody? And this is very pessimistic, but I am sorry I am going to say this. What is the number one advice I am giving to anybody who is going for redevelopment, including you, madam? Pagdi. Is it possible for you to sell? Is it possible for you to exit? You may not get the price you want, that is your apprehension. Is it possible for you to get a price less than what you want, but is it possible? If that possibility is there, then take the possibility. Number one. Number two, if the possibility is not there, then try to create the possibility. Try and create the possibility. How? You create the possibility by showing your power. You create the possibility. What do I mean by create the possibility? Create the possibility means every builder who is a reasonably good builder, every builder has 10-20 investors who are in touch with them. अरे पटेल साहब, तुम्हारा कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट आता है तो हमको बोलना, हमको याद करना. Those guys who are sitting with crores of rupees, investable surplus. Your house is not an investable surplus for you. Your house is a basic requirement for you. You have no way of ensuring that he is going to give you the house at the end of 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. You have no way of ensuring that. You have no real way. You have no grip on him. What you can do, however, is try to engineer a situation where he brings in an investor to buy your house. Now, this amounts to Gaddari, some people will say. अरे देखो, सब लोगों का भला होना चाहिए. Everybody in the society should be saved. What is the use of me saving myself? This is a thought process a lot of people have. So my question is, and sometimes people will say this, देखो हमारा सोसाइटी में 40 लोग हैं, 40 लोग में से 35 लोग बिल्डर के साइड में है, इंक्लूडिंग मैनेजिंग कमिटी. 5 लोग हैं जो मेरा सपोर्टर है, या 4 लोग हैं मेरा सपोर्टर है. आई एम द नंबर 5. 4 लोग मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो आई विल आस्क वेरी क्लियरली, आर दे एज eager to fight as you are, or they are sitting and giving you support from the background, because background support is usually not enough. तुम बोलेगा मैं साइन करूंगा, वो support is not real support, it will evaporate. So I ask, I tell them, देखो एक सिंपल बात बोल रहा हूं, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है, फाइट करने का है. Are you willing to make a video after a certain amount of due process, after doing some correspondence with the builder, after doing that email correspondence to raise queries, I will come to you, raise queries, are you willing to make a video and speak out in public? A lot of people are like, अरे नहीं मेरा वो क्या है, मेरा ससुर जी ना बोलता है. Then I say, then you are lost, then there is no hope, because you are not willing to fight. You are waiting for a Mai Baap Sarkar to come and save you. It will not happen. Mai Baap Sarkar does not exist. You have to fight. You have to stand there and fight. So are you willing? Let us say the person says yes. Good. Now you are willing. Chalo. Is someone else willing? Those 4 supporters of yours, are they willing to fight? If the answer is shayad, maybe one guy will fight. Okay, good. Let us do a conference call with him. Let us have a con call with him. I want to make sure we are all on the same page. If you are willing to fight, if he is willing to fight, maybe he and you will be rescued. Maybe he and you will get an exit from the situation. Now, what is the exit from the situation? Please be realistic. The exit from the situation, I want this to be public. This is going to go up on my channel. I want this to be known. The exit from the situation is an exit from the barter transaction that your society is forcing upon you. Any barter transaction with a more powerful party cannot be in your favor. Okay? Any transaction that is being forced upon you cannot be in your favor. You need to understand this. You cannot say, अरे मेरे को 33% ज़्यादा बड़ा मकान मिलेगा. No. नया घर मिलेगा. No. वो जो लालच है, मुझे नया घर मिलेगा, that लालच is going to hurt you. It will kill you. It will hurt your financial status very, very badly. So you need to be conservative. What you have to think is, am I going to get an exit from this barter situation? That is how you have to. So how do you get an exit from the barter situation? Gaurang Bhai knows that as RTI activists, what we do is first get information, then leverage the information. See, you want governance change. So what do you do for governance change? You try to get a corrupt official removed. Why is it now RTI activists are maligned as being blackmailers? अरे ये लोग blackmail करता है. There is a difference. That is not blackmail. अगर कोई घूसखोर है, वो घूसखोरी कर रहा है, वो मलाई खा खा के तगड़ा हो रहा है, he has become unduly powerful. There are brokers. In fact, recently there was one statement. There are contractors and agents who are more powerful than the ministers themselves in Mantralaya. There was this statement. Yes, exactly. You cannot remove them. You know, they are that much entrenched in the system. So if somebody is entrenched in the system like that, what we can do is, if we can at least hurt them, if they are entrenched in the system, what we can do is exert leverage. Exert leverage. उसको feel आने दो कि you can hurt his illegitimate power. You have to be able to hurt his illegitimate power. How do you hurt his illegitimate power? How do you hurt a builder's illegitimate power? Number one, it is very simple, by simply asking questions. It is as simple as asking questions. Sir, DA नहीं है, आपने बिल्डिंग कैसे तोड़ा? क्या आप बिल्डिंग तोड़ना चाहते हो, कैसे तोड़ना चाहते हो? ये नहीं है. सिंपल क्वेश्चन इज, सर आपने जो, दिस इज इन द प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज, आप यू आर प्रपोज्ड बिल्डर, राइट? यू आर प्रपोज्ड बिल्डर एंड आपका बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, आपने 4 प्रोजेक्ट बनाया बोल के वो एक्सपीरियंस ये है ना. मुझे ये बताइए, आपका वो जो प्रोजेक्ट था ना, उसका जरा आईओडीसीसी दे दो ना. आईओडीसीसी से क्या पता चलेगा? आईओडीसीसी से ये पता चल सकता है, या आपका रेरा नंबर दे दो ऑफ दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड वेदर दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स आर रियली योर प्रोजेक्ट्स and you completed them in recent times. Let me understand it. If you just study it, you will come to understand whether it is his project or he's taking credit for someone else's project. आपने कंप्लीट किया बोल रहे हैं ना, तो ओसी होना चाहिए ना. जरा ओसी का कॉपी दो ना. शो मी द ओसी. ट्राई टू इन्वेस्टिगेट वेदर ही हैज दैट. सर आपका बैलेंस शीट दे दो एक बार. बैलेंस शीट पूछना बनता है. बैलेंस शीट पूछना बनता है. पीपल हैव दिस, नहीं उसको बैलेंस शीट पूछेंगे, उसका ऑडिटेड रिपोर्ट्स पूछेंगे, अकाउंट्स पूछेंगे, कितना बुरा लगेगा. अरे वो मेहमान नहीं है यार, कितना बुरा है, उसको कितना बुरा लगेगा. उसकी बेइज्जती मत करो यार. वो अपना काम करने आया है और उसकी बेइज्जती कर रहे हो. नहीं, बेइज्जती नहीं कर रहा हूं. आई एम आस्किंग समथिंग दैट इज माई राइट, बेसिक राइट. सो if your society is not willing to ask, what I tell people is, ठीक है, society is not willing to ask ना, आप डायरेक्टली उसको ईमेल करो, उसको पूछो. फर्स्ट ईमेल या रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट करो. इफ ईमेल इज नॉट अवेलेबल, सरप्राइजिंगली मेनी बिल्डर्स डोंट हैव ईमेल एड्रेसेस. वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. ओके, बेसिक यू एंड आई हैव ईमेल एड्रेसेस, बट दे डोंट हैव ईमेल एड्रेसेस. इन दैट केस रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा, या व्हाट्सएप करो, जो भी करना है वो तरीका भी वी फिगर आउट द तरीका. आस्क हिम अ क्वेश्चन. नाउ आस्क हिम द क्वेश्चन, आस्क हिम द क्वेश्चंस which need to be asked. Let us say he replies. Usually his reply is defensive. He is not giving you the information you want. Right to information is not only from government. Right to information is from the builder also, who is trying to take over your house, who is trying to break your house, who is trying to force a transaction on you. Ask him the question. Now, once you ask the question and he has not replied, you send him a reminder, reminder 1, reminder 2, reminder 3, 2 days, send him reminder, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, process is over. You sent him 3 reminders, he has not replied. And this is why I am called urban Naxal. Then I say make the video. Then I say make the video. And how make the video? पटेल ब्रदर्स का नाम इधर छापो, लार्ज. I have a dispute with Patel brothers. Make it a selfie video. I have a dispute with Patel brothers. My dispute is, I have asked him these questions. I am reading out these questions to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has not replied. He proposes that I should hand over my house to him. He wants to break down my building. My society, again another, you drop this one and pick up another one. Society's name, Shri Siddhi Vinayak Cooperative Housing Society Limited, Dadar. I am a resident of this society. My managing committee thinks these questions should not be asked. My AGM thinks और भी थोड़ा कमीनापन करना है, चेयरमैन, सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर, छापो. This is not defamation. This is not defamation. But I promise you, they are afraid. My society, my chairman, my treasurer, my managing committee, the builder, if the builder is a company, the private limited company, if the directors, names of the directors, if it's an LLP firm, the names of the partners. Hold it like this and talk into the camera and say, my dispute is, I have these questions, there are no answers. That's my dispute. That's your step one. That is your step one. And I will publish this. And I publish it. If they are on LinkedIn, I'll tag them on LinkedIn. If they are on Twitter, I'll tag them on Twitter. I'll publish it. I won't revert to them. I won't tell them it's being published. I'll publish it. Why? Because on the face of it, there is a dispute. He asked a question, you did not reply to the question, finished. There is a dispute. Keep all the society members in CC. there's a dispute. Finished. That's step 1. Step 2. What I'm expecting from step 1, what I'm expecting in fact from the email correspondence where you keep me in CC is, Arey Saab, let us talk. Okay? So now the let us talk has a different tone. It is not you going to blackmail him. Now he wants something from you. You need to engineer this situation. You need to create a situation where he wants something from you. What does he want from you? What he wants from you is that you should not take that cupboard full of cockroaches which he has got and throw it open in the yard, which you are going to do, which you are about to do. Every builder has cupboards which are full of cockroaches, and he doesn't want those cockroaches to be seen. So there is right to information, there is right to disclosure. I am not about right to information. I have stopped being about right to information. Gaurang Bhai knows I have more or less broken from the RTI community. And the reason is, अरे लोग मर रहे हैं and you can't say file an RTI application. You need information direct from the builder. Let the builder give you the information. Why you should go to the building proposals department and file an RTI and then they'll refuse and reject and or they'll sideline and then okay, you get the information. What do you do with the information from building proposal department? Not belittling the efforts of RTI activists, because that's where I have started. But often the problem is it leads to a paper chase. We are chasing paper. And we go all the way till appeal, second appeal and all that, and finally we may get the paper after 1.5 years, thanks to their indifference. In the meanwhile, this guy has gone ahead with the project. So my whole thing is, let us not go there first. Let us first do this. Right to correspondence. You have a right to your builder. He is supposed to be your builder. Write to him. You have a right to disclose the dispute that you have with him. So to disclose the dispute, you should have a dispute. Should have a dispute, you have to have correspondence with him. Have a dispute. My dispute is that you are not replying to my answer, this thing. Suppose he replies and he gives you some information and then he says it is not concerning you. Good, excellent. Write back to him. No, this information also concerns me, please give it to me. Again, if he doesn't answer, you have a dispute, you have an ongoing argument. Good, now you have the basis for a video. Make a video, talk about it, and don't stop talking about it. Don't stop talking about it. You spoke in Hindi. Good, can you speak in English? Speak English. Say the same thing in English. I have this dispute with the builder. You did English and Hindi. Do you know Marathi? Speak Marathi. Make another video. Same thing. Make him famous. Make him famous. Now this is the 1 minute part. This is the short version. I have a dispute. Then you can go further. I have a dispute was the short version. Then you go further. The next video will be, एक builder है, so-called Patel brothers. I don't know his financial position. He is not